guys, what's up? By the title of this video, I bet you can tell that today I'm going to be doing something with my eyebrows. Obviously, I'm fresh-faced. I have no makeup on. You can tell because you can see all my sets really bad. But today I'm going to be waxing my eyebrows for the first time by myself. I went to Sally's Beauty Supply today and bought a hemp wax kit. I've never tried it before. I've never tried this brand. I'm just gonna hope it works. So I am going to, it's been a long time. Your girl's on a budget. She ain't trying to go spend like $30 a month getting her eyebrows threaded, waxed, whatever. So I am going to go take off my eyebrows and heat up my wax, and I will be right back. And we're back. And I obviously don't have any eyebrows on, and I am about to use my pre-wax cleaner just to take off any excess bacteria before I wax my eyebrows. And I got out a mirror because I don't want to be like waxing my eyebrows in the viewfinder of my camera. Whenever you do your eyebrows, you always want to remember to use your pre-wax cleanser and your post-wax cooler. Oh god. Oh, it smells really good. Wow. Alright, sheet thick. Alright. The wax is ready, I hope. I'm gonna pray that it's ready. If it's too hot, I might cry. Who knows if I'll even ever post this video. Where are my sticks? Okay. The kit that I bought like came with like a bunch of sticks, but like these were the smaller ones, and I thought they were like just way too thick for doing my eyebrows. So I bought like these little, they're like popsicle sticks, but like, no, they're like corn dog sticks. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. God. And then it comes with like all the muslin strips and everything. It comes with really big ones and really small ones. These are the really small ones, which is like way too big for an eyebrow. Like that takes up my entire forehead. So I just like cut them in half. Oh, I should brush the eyebrows out. When I had this idea today, I said this could either go really well or really bad, but either way it's gonna be good clickbait. I could wax my entire eyebrow off by accident, which I don't think I will. But we're just gonna, oh god, here we go. Okay. That was uneventful. Okay. Never in my life did I think I would actually be sitting in front of a camera waxing my eyebrows for the world to watch. I'll be honest, never in my life. If this goes really bad, this is gonna be like a really good fail video. This is gonna be like a what to not do. Don't follow what Sydney does. Can I like really press it in there? Okay. I always dread this part. This is the worst thing. Okay. That took out 3 hairs. Oh. Did not do what I wanted it to, but that's okay. Oh. And the stickiness is why you always use your post-wax cleaner. Oh god. Like if you've never gotten your brows like waxed or like really done, like definitely go see a professional. I cannot give you professional advice because I am not. I'm just a college student. Oh no. Oh god, that was painful. Oh god. The worst part is it only took out 2 hairs. Okay. Oh god. That was, oh god. That was sad. I'm upset. Oh Lord. Well, at least I got some good clickbait out of this. I don't know if this is gonna work. They do look better. But this is a little painful. I don't think I like doing this by myself. I just bought this wax kit to use it once. I do like the wax. It's a nice, it's nice wax. It smells really good. It has, it's like all natural. So, and it's used, oh god, what does it say? It's like a little teacup. It's so cute. It says formulated to calm and moisturize the skin. That's nice. I don't feel moisturized. Definitely don't feel calm. My skin's on fire. Okay. 1. It didn't stick. I'm so mad. Okay. It's like all in my eyebrow now. I feel like I'm about to lose my entire eyebrow. Where's the, oh god. They give you a, there's like 4 little things that come in this kit, and one of them is a wax off to like take wax off of your skin. And we're gonna need that for my entire eyebrow. Oh my god. Good news, kids, I did not lose the eyebrow. Ooh. While we're at it, let's do the other one because I feel like my left brow always turns out really good when I like pluck it, shave it, whatever by myself. And then like this brow is like the ugly stepchild. Oh god. Alright, so I'm gonna go refill on my eyebrows really quick, and then I will be right back to show you the finished product. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished filling in my eyebrows. Obviously they look, I mean, maybe not obvious to you guys, but to me they look 10 times better. Overall, if you have money, if you're not like me and you in college trying to save money to move out of your parents' house, and you actually have money, I would just go get your eyebrows waxed by a professional. This was awful. I mean, they look good now, but it was terrible. So yeah, that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram at DressedBySydney, and you know, whatever else you want to do. And hopefully you guys like this video. Bye!